Hi friends, this is the project Vehicle Speed Violation Auto Salary Debit using RFID. The main objective of this project is to automatically debit the driver amount if the driver crosses the vehicle speed limit. Now the components used in this project are: this is the GSM module for sending the message, and this is the L293D motor driver. This is Arduino Uno board where our application code is running. This is power supply board, and here these are the two switches for setting maximum and minimum speed limit. And this is the LCD module for monitoring the data. And here is IR sensor for detecting the speed of the vehicle. Here vehicle indicates DC motor. So here IR sensor detecting the speed of the DC motor in RPM. And this is the RFID reader. And here 4 tags indicates 4 different danger zones. So here RFID reader has a vehicle. So whenever RFID reader crosses these zones, so accordingly if the driver not maintain speed limit, then you will get a message alert as the amount is deducted this much because of speed limit is crosses. Okay, so now let us coming to the working. See, normally the DC motor is running at 20 RPM speed. So these are the two switches. If I press this first switch, then see the speed of the DC motor is reducing. So in this case the speed is 10 RPM. So this is the minimum speed limit switch. And if I press this switch, this is the maximum speed limit switch. In this case the DC motor is rotating at full speed at the rate of 29 RPM. Okay, so if I don't press these two switches, then normal speed of DC motor is at 20 RPM. Okay, see it is now 20 RPM. So the speed limits sets to different zones. Here is for school zone I am setting 13 RPM as a speed limit. For hospital zone 23 RPM, and for parking zone it is 1 RPM. It is almost 0, and for U-turn it is 16 RPM. So whenever these speed limits or crosses, then the driver will get a message alert as crosses the speed limit, so that this much amount is charged, and at the same time that vehicle number plate will be uploaded to the ThingSpeak server. Now let us verify that. See, now the normal speed limit is 20. Okay, so now I am so now if the driver enters into the school zone, then the driver has this tag. See, the speed limit in school zone is 13. So that's why you will get a message alert like this. So crosses speed limit at school zone, and also you will get a vehicle number plate to ThingSpeak. So this is how exactly you will get a alert. and data is also uploaded. Now I am placing hospital zone card. Okay, so in this case the speed limit is 23, but the normal speed now is 20 rpm only. So that's why you will not get a message alert in this case, because you are within the speed limit. Now this is the parking zone card. Now I am placing that card. The speed limit for this is almost 0. See, 1. So in this case also you will get a message alert as well as ThinkSpeak data uploading of vehicle number plate, because why means normal speed is 20 now. In parking zone, as normally you have to maintain almost 0 speed, so that's why you will get a message alert. So similarly in U-turn also you will get a message alerts while placing this U-turn card. Why means the speed limit in this zone is 16. So the normal speed is now 20 rpm. So only in hospital zone the rule will not be violated. Why means the setted zone speed in hospital zone is 23. Okay. So like this. So based on the speed limit in different danger zones, so the automatically charging the amount will be happen using this project. Thank you.